In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $343.75 with ClickBank affiliate marketing and YouTube Shorts. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial with 100% free traffic. Now this means we get to keep all of the profit that we make. Now YouTube Shorts is a very popular way to get thousands of visitors to your websites, and I'm going to show you an awesome method that you can use to create high quality videos that you can upload to your YouTube channel without showing your face or even without recording your voice. And all of this takes only a few minutes of your time every single day. Now we're going to be uploading highly efficient videos to YouTube, and then we're going to be sending them to ClickBank offers. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step, so make sure to stick with me all the way to the end of this video. Now before I hop into my computer, make sure to smash that like button below and subscribe if you're new. This keeps me super motivated to come up with new ideas and test out the latest strategies just for you guys. So let's not waste any more time and let's begin right now. Now the first step is obviously to sign up to ClickBank, because this is what we need for this strategy. Now if you didn't know already, ClickBank is an affiliate network with thousands of affiliate offers in all of the niches that you can think of. So the first thing you want to do is create a new account. This is 100% for free, so make sure to do that right now, and I'm going to log in for you guys and head into the affiliate marketplace. Alright, so once you're inside your affiliate marketplace, when you scroll down you can see all of the niches on the left side. So for example, we have business and investing, we have education, games, health and fitness, you have languages, basically any niche that you can think of, you'll find it on the left side right here. Now for this video, I'm going to go into the business and investing niche, or the e-business and e-marketing. So let's go with the e-business and e-marketing niche. So this is a niche that teaches people how to make money online and teaches marketing. So this is a great niche because a lot of people have free time on the side, have their 9-to-5 job and they want to make extra money on the side, or they even want to quit their job and start making money online full-time. So this niche is perfect for those. And as you can see, the first offer is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So this is some type of affiliate offer that we can promote to these type of people. Now, what I recommend to do is rank these by gravity, because this is gonna give us an idea of what type of offers are performing the best on ClickBank as of right now. So as you can see, guys, this has a gravity score of 288, and it is the first product on the ClickBank affiliate marketing, e-business marketing niche. So this would be a great product to promote. But guys, if you want to find less competitive offers that less people are promoting, you can scroll down and you can pick something between gravity score of 200 and 100. So for example, live chat jobs, you have to try this one. So when you click on it, you can see this is the sales page and this is the title. Let's load. Come on. All right. So find your perfect online job. So watch the video below and we will find you your perfect online job in less than 5 minutes. All right. So you can send people that are looking for an online job or want to make side income, extra cash on the side. You can promote this offer to them. All right. So this is a pretty nice looking sales page. Obviously, this is a VSL, and this is how much do you want to earn. You answer a couple of questions, and when you go back, you can see, guys, live chat jobs, $1 trial, and then when they convert after the trial, it's $68 per conversion, and it's performing very, very good on ClickBank. So this is a good product to promote. So for this video, I'm going to go with this product. And one more tip for you guys, you have an affiliate page right here. When you click on it, this gives you all the tools and resources that you can use to promote this offer alone. Right, so as you can see, you have your hop links, your pixel tracking, email swipes, banners, Facebook ad images, you have product images, you have short ads, right? So you have demographics that you can target. For example, when you click on demographics, you can see that you should be targeting people from United States, Australia, Canada, UK, Croatia, Italy, and the highest converting gadget is tablet. But that doesn't bother us, guys, because YouTube is on all of these platforms, so that does not bother us. And when you scroll up, you can see, guys, that it's a $47 front end sale plus upsells. So this means you can earn $100 and more per sale, right? So the average conversion is 65 bucks or what, so yeah, 68 bucks. But you can even earn much more than that, all right, depending on how many people buy the upsells. And you get 75% of the commissions. Now, one more important tip for you guys is if you're going to be using your own funnel, you can use their email swipe. So as you can see, they have 20 pre-written emails that you can grab and send to your leads. All right, so as you can see, subject line, hey, sorry I'm late. This is the body. You can copy and paste this into your email autoresponder. But in this video, I'm not going to be doing this. I'm going to be showing you a very, very simple method. So all you have to do right now, close this. But that was just, guys, a quick tip. If you want to do this like full-time, focus on affiliate marketing full-time, then I'd recommend building out a funnel and then following up with your leads so you get the maximum results. But for this tutorial, just to get started, to get the ball rolling, you can click on promote, enter your nickname, and click on create hop link. Create hop link, and this is my affiliate ID. I'm going to copy and we're going to use it in just a second. So now head over to YouTube and now search for shorts plus make money online, right? So this is going to give us an idea of what type of videos are working well on YouTube Shorts. So right off the bat, how to make money online, the 3 levels, right? So this is a YouTuber, and 2 days ago he published this Shorts video and he has 50,000 views, right? So another person right here, 2.2 million views, right? Basically, the sky is the limit with YouTube Shorts. Obviously, not every single video is going to go viral, but if you stay consistent, I promise you guys that at least 1 out of 10 videos is going to get more views than usual. Alright, so I found a good YouTuber that posts these types of videos every single day, and as you can see, he's posting 2 to 3 times per day. 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 2,000 views, 2,000 views. Some of these videos have even more, like 5,000 views, and some of these videos even went viral. 16,000 views here, another one 16,000 views. So you get the idea, guys. So these are basic, simple YouTube Shorts. So these are all 15-20 second videos that give viewers value, right? And at the end of each video, you can give a call to action, all right? So click the link in the description to make money online, right? So I'm gonna show you how to create these types of videos. Obviously, this person is showing his face, but I'm going to show you a way that you don't need to show your face at all, right? So the next step is to go over to canva.com. Now, this is also a free tool, but you can also upgrade. I have a pro account because I use Canva every single day on my YouTube thumbnails, on my ads, basically everything. So what you want to do is click on this little search icon and click on YouTube Shorts. So this is a video 1080 by 1920p. And at the left side, you can see, once again, niches and themes. All right, so you can see, guys, that you have animated, simple, you know, texture, or whatever. You can choose any of these themes and then you can directly edit them from there. But I'm going to create one from blank. That's what I like to do. So now once you're in your editor, now you can choose a theme. All right, so based on the niche that you're in, make sure to choose a theme. So I'm going to choose this one, how to grow your business. And now I can start editing this theme and start adding more scenes. You know, we can duplicate this 4 or 5 times so our video is 20 seconds long, just like this, right? And now we can start adding valuable content. Now, guys, you might be asking, well, what type of content are we going to add? Now, there's a very, very easy way to do this, right? Best ways to make money online. You can search something like this, and now you can find an article, all right, something like this. And now you can start adding content from this article and turn it into a nice looking video, right? So I'm going to go back, right? So first of all is pick up freelance work online, right? So the first scene can be something like how to make money online, right? Something like this, the 3 best ways, right? Something like this. We can move this, we can make this bigger. It's very easy to use, guys. As you can see, it's all drag and drop. Very, very easy. the 3 best ways to make money online. We can make this bold, just like that. Make sure to play around with this for a while. I'm gonna just do it really quickly. I'm gonna do transparent, yes. We can even change the color to black, or we can do yellow, right? And we can put this white. Really make sure to play around with it so it looks nice. But basically, how to make money online, the 3 best ways. We can also add an arrow, so go to elements, arrow, right? Something like this. Very, very easy to do. And now, wait, this is going to be scene number 1. And now for the first scene you want to copy, basically pick up freelance work online. So this is the best way number 1, right? We can remove this, maybe green. You can also add a rectangle on the back so the text is really, you know, just like this. Now we can move backward and we can make this white. So now it looks even better, all right? So you can add a rectangle just like this, and then on top of it, add your text. All right, so I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna delete these 2. I'm gonna duplicate this and this as well. So step number 2, I mean option number 2 is test websites and apps, all right, just like this. Number 3 is pick up tasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk. I've done this in the past. I made like $5 for the entire month. Not a great way to make money, guys. And now very, very important step is add the last scene. And on this scene, you want to add a call to action, right? So something like click the link in my bio to get a job online fast, right? Something like this. We can make it smaller. And now on the bottom, we can do something like, I'm gonna copy this. We're hiring, right? Something like this. Make sure it's not clickbait. We can change the background to red. So now it looks awesome. I really like it. All right, so now we can add background music. So click on audio and we can do English breakfast. It doesn't really matter, guys. I'm just gonna do it for this video so you guys know where everything is located. And perfect, that's it. So now we can watch the video, guys. So it's 25 seconds long. All right, so how to make money online, the 3 best ways. Pick up freelance work online, all right? So this is the first scene. The second one is test websites and apps. Awesome. Number 3, pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. And our 4th scene is click the link in my bio to get a job online fast. We're hiring. And that's where we're gonna link people to our affiliate link, right? So live chat jobs, you have to try this one. So we're gonna be promoting this exact offer using these types of videos. And now, guys, you can see you can make up to 10 videos just from this blog alone, right? So you can add all of these steps, right? So 3 steps per video. There's 25 steps in total. So that's what, 7 videos. So you can absolutely use this one yourself, right? Or 8 videos. 8 times 3 is 24. So you can make 8 videos from this blog alone. So go back to Canva, and now you want to click on share, click on download all pages, and click on download. So now that you have the video uploaded to YouTube, all you have to do right now is change the title, description, and the keywords. So the description is very important because this is where we add our affiliate link. So you want to head over to the offer that you copied. So click on promote once again if you have lost your link. All right, I'm going to create the hop link, copy, go over to Bitly right now, click on create new, because we want to make a nice short Bitly URL and not this long ugly ClickBank one. So click on next, and the custom halfback is going to be online 1 jobs. All right, so this is our Bitly link. I'm going to click on copy, and in the description say something like, looking for an online job, we've got you covered, click here to apply. And the title is going to be Top 3 Ways to Make Money Online. And then do hashtag shorts. So type hashtag shorts. Now, once again, scroll down, and now you want to add your tags. So make money online, right? Online jobs. So make sure to fill this entire area out. So we have 500 keys that you can use. So make sure to do that. And now once you have everything, you have your title, description with your link and your tags. Now you can click on save and publish, right? So click on visibility and click on public. So this is how you're gonna drive traffic to your ClickBank offer. Now, I can guarantee you guys, if you make 2 to 3 videos every single day and upload them to YouTube, I can guarantee if you get 1,000 views per video, at least 10 people are gonna purchase every time. So let's do a quick calculation based on some basic conversion rates. So let's just say that you upload 1 video every single day and you get 1,000 views per video on average, right? Sometimes you get made less, sometimes more. So that's 30,000 views per month. Let's just say that half of those people actually visit your website, right? So multiply by 0.5. So that gives us 15,000 website visitors. Let's just say that only 1% of these people convert, right? So that's 0.01. 1% of those 15,000 people actually purchase our product, right? So that's 150 sales multiplied by $68 per sale. That's potentially 10K per month just with this method alone. Now guys, you may be thinking that this is not possible. There's no way I'm gonna make 10K per month with just YouTube Shorts and ClickBank. But guys, I can guarantee you guys that so many affiliates online are doing these exact strategies and are making thousands of dollars per day. Now I try this out myself. I use this myself every single day. Now I don't only use YouTube Shorts, I also use TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. I use every single social media platform online. Now this is what I recommend, because you can create one piece of content like we did today, and then you can upload it to each and every social media platform. So with one video, you can publish it on 5 different social media platforms, and that's going to give you more reach overall. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found value. This is how you can make $350 per day with ClickBank and YouTube Shorts. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and also subscribe if you're new. This makes me super motivated to create awesome content just like this for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward for the next video. Peace out.